Hey there, what are today's messages? I am willing to change. I am willing to release old negative beliefs. They are only thoughts that stand in my way. My new thoughts are positive and fulfilling. Number 11, I am the master of my mind. Deconstructing doubt. Only my beliefs are in my way. Brain tease. Mind matters. Keep your mind fit and agile. Challenge yourself with a brain teaser or a word game, or draw with your eyes closed. How will you engage your mind? Alrighty, which items or what are our quotes today? May you attract the type of people who are aware of the gift you are and genuinely appreciate you from this sacred space. Show up in the world as your truest self. Some will accept you and some won't. Embrace those who do and let the others go. Julian Kane. I see no good reason to act my age. The older I get, the more I understand why the rooster screams to start their day. How weird is it that if you did one thing differently, you might not even be living the same life you are today? No amount of security is worth the suffering of a mediocre life changed to a routine that has killed your dreams. Imagine being with the person who asks the universe to help them love you correctly. And the last one today. It's not a matter of finding yourself, but rediscovering yourself under layers of judgment, doubt, and fear. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.